Rumuchomano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, Nechingongo chindi chense ya Kenya. Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano. Emanyamange naboigo bwatra n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi. Ensoko TV oburuso bw'umugusi. Tomochako tengere merobere ito yogosemya nagokumanya yago korekana kira lituko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga ki chance asengencho yao eyaliganie asobo tengali botali no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oburoso bw'umugusi. Umuruburi kubwatia nabo kurigirirwa na kiro moto.
Mwancho murigereria na litkorie 15 rimwetie nyo gatano ichuma haye tariki chiweso mwaka 2025 na 2026 chiteka chabutokire ni komine ya Maigoro ye chinsanye chabana mambia ekamanyiro kebenengo tobo soya masayemo goikebetro bini y'Ensoko TV tomorekere na korubana bego kurigereria sendro yetro bini hali natokorekana esibrubiye siasa litkomine ye chuma to kwana mangani siasa kurugaiga sobetro bini tomorekera mange hali natokorekana ime enaisko yense ya Kenya nene ime yense yiga ya Kenya rogongurwa busi no nyenigo ne chimbebe ao chiense ya Kenya asori cyagenda tokorekana mo chimori twirero nalio hagotugutwo mongina Teresa oyore ngina omuseneta we county ya Kisii Richard Omanyonka na moyegoye guko mwenye niko gendera tabene asensemeria aye SFM yebunga ya kitucha cha Sauti asensemeria ya Nyabururu ga Nyamataro ase hagochi akwenbwa sente ya banali twalero magaye gusiro gimabwaye heikie yemo ya etiri nanigo abarai ao bege siasa abege dini bakagere gukana asa chinseme cyo nanigo chinsige siasa chikagere gocha komoka litwalero asomwega boko mwenye homongina Teresia uyore mamo mwabo moseneta we county ya Kisii Richard Omanyonka nanigo togochiko kworokia gosichinkwana chonsi tigochikoretwa bene aseketeseni kyao kya bene Ensoko TV gotiga nayo nigo bona bakenya babo kirene ngana yo goichana litwalero magega yokonyoranga ebe ya mabutani go ya mentire nende ya chire nsarawe kabonega nigo bono chibeye chibintu apikagere go chikomenta go chakera chibeye ya para ye chifea chakirebe ye bintu abikagere chikomenta mega ya mabuta komenta asebirengo obiegoro mona nyoranga mwancho mwelia niga mabuta ya petrol ya mentane chisiringi 15 nabo iga masama mabuta ye diesel niga bakabaga komenta ne chisiringi 45 nemo go ikabonega nigo ese chire menye chio Nairobi mabuta yibona ko rwaye diesel akonde bo chisiringi 240 nabo iga ye petrol ga kono chisiringi 214 yo ne beyi enyi ya mabuta korengana hane kyomekeria akiose kyomekeria gi epra kya mabuta imense ya Kenya igente wane gaba Kenya bagendreta sana komigwa hanakona ntwa hasenchera here nkerangose ase bone gabo gemba bukugere go chikongendera comment kana imense ya Kenya monche mwe oroboti rwa tifa nigo wikabonega rokwene kinga omoraibuense nere wanchire mono ne birengo bye emeronge be nabine akobwatiwa na Kalonzo Musyoka oyo bwate birengo bye 10 kianda umurai gosoyo kabero mwaziri oburendi bwaime Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi nigabe gato ne birengo bye 14 nabayigo sifuna habwate birengo bye 10 na korende nigo tife kwere kinga bonsi batatu obaro opposition Kalonzo Matiangi amona sifuna base wikamu mwancho mwiria igo bawo chikomobwa oyore omurebu ensabone garuto netanye birengo bye 10 yosego birengo bye emeronge 5 na bere na isana yambo 76% onye bawo chigo chamo nigo barachikomwa karuto na komutrunka nie mambya kolende onye bawo chekubagana nigo bakore kinga ruto gachikara babwa kolende nigo bako kinga bali abatangaine asatambe mono osego se Kalonzo aisiko bwatana na Matiangi achinyara chipoint nyinge kobwa kobwatana sifuna guseko bwa kubwatana Gachagua aguseko bwa kubwatana na Martha Karua nonye nigo ebyo na bibi ayonara amangana ya gusa ino roboti ruatifa gototigana yo mwancho mwira niga kwa kinga broad based government bali abanye kanete nigo bari birengo bye 55 nabayigo bali abakonya kubako igo bari birengo 30 iyi ni broad based government kubatani kyama kya UDA amo ne kyama keria agia ODM kiyokura unere Oburu Odinga lakini bwikira bondiga bwente kubwatwa aneme cyane mene yo guturubana ogusangirekana tubwatarinda mwananchi nabayigo underground ekana yo mwancho mwira bono yabire benenga omubunge wensemo ya emo dikire omonyia hane omoznere David Keteri mega yokonyara kumubwa Vincent Rochichi we kyama keria akia DCP nyoranga David Keteri nigare ko tigiti eyo ni goseriga ko gikiro kyobunge asensemo ya emo dikire mega yo gusira kwa John Ngeno yeseto ngimabwa ya kitariki 12 cyumutienyo kabere asensemo area ya Mosopi meye county ya Nandi na abonega nigo David Keteri korwese kyama keria kya UDA abere beno mubungo monyia mega yokonyara chikura chiribu 15 onaitatu chimebere na mirongo naibere na kumobwa Vincent Rochichi yewata chiribu 10 chimesano onaibere na mirongo 5 onomo asenchira ayabene tatika nayo mwachi mwirele na mange nkwarege temambi yabone iga ime yetrowini tochiko kwandra na amange nyoranga ilitko gose amatukama kare motu abasubati bayito mupira bwenko yobari barense myaka 15 onebere gose under 17 Arambe Starlet gose Junior Starlet asenchira yabene mwachi mwirele nigo bago chikosori ne timu yense yabaganda round ya kabere ye kibiroge tigiti ya World Cup mega yo kujibwana mimbi ya aggregate ya 7-1 bono nigo Junior Starlet bachikosone timu ya Buganda bali barense myaka 15 ebechita ikemeronge na ibere nakuruga gusojyo mwiruru agasoruga iga himeyanya yo stadium chitari kemeronge to chomotienyo iga notitigaga weekend ye bachikore bimno bya Mozart Cup kati timu ya Tusker KCB Police na Bandari mega ye timu ya Shabana Agwa kwa isiko onsi kianda mwacho mwirele 10 nigo nkweli bagari abene kumuganira happy birthday litko ligi yaliyo kwiburo homogosoriye gyatokare we club ya Shabana FC inkomo kwandra emo captain Peter Maestro Ogechi akunyora sana osogotiri Shabana FC go ikase ligi yenene ya Kenya Premier League asataka kunyetiga na gosunge bikoro tobiaye asena tiabene Peter Ogechi akagenda bono gochego coach timu ya Basubati gose kwegeria timu ya Basubati ya Shabana Starlet agweka bone gabagana takomesana gukora buya aseganga yabonega no gocha gutire ligi ya Basubati ya Kenya Premier League igo senchira bene kuregete seni Geito Ogen Soko TV Peter Maestro Ogechi nigo kurwa chigo seni abanyangongo nabo igo kuretro wini amone miro Beyonce yen Soko TV to kwanelia halit ko ligi ya liyo kuiburwa happy birthday Maestro Ogechi mwanchi mwiria Thomas Gosuka yare motunga tiari kwanege timu ye Trovini mambi ya bono igana igo bono yali kirenga Trovini ya chakire bene Mwancho mwelea karibu naende togenderera senchira ya bene himambi ya bonega nikotogo chaka bene kurwa somoyega abwoko mwenia Omusubati Anandungu uyore mamwe omubunge webunge ya Iyela gose East African Community uyo manyeka ine uyo gose kanini kega mega yo gose kwa mumwe abadigo litukolego rabe tukoba agakwe ni gwakolende nigo chinkwana chige siasa chana retu yoro werwensi asomoyega hakore kanante me kinyorokere kya mudu ime ya Kieni West county ya Nyeri litukolego ragokwana karekyo mwaseneta abwe county ya Nairobi nkomo kwanda Edwin Sifuna niga abetaka kwenekyanga gwikabono bachikubatira nokoboko ono omorewe kyamagia DCP Geoffrey Gadi Gachagua na watani bande kurasese Mary United opposition ebuna ababo Fred Matiang'i Kalonzo Musyoka elio ezenganga ya moyoka no kumurusi abisi omorewe nse William Samoei Ruto skoranga na Sifuna no morayo yobere ko bakagusali omorewe nse nabo igotabone tukobero abisi kara chikura cyo mwako gocha nigobono Sifuna negative na gwikabwata nokoboko elikunyara kumurwani na komotereke nse omorewe nse William Ruto wosio bochore bwene bwa mwaka 2025 onebere.
Mr. Nomwambia kule hakuna kura ya Kasongo. Na nimeshtuka leo rafiki yangu Sangok. Unajua huyu Sangok? Tumekwaruzana muda mrefu sana. Sangok anatoka Umasaini. Ameconfirm hapa leo kwa Wamasai hakuna kura ya Kasongo. Amesema yeye mwenyewe. Hakuna kura ya Kasongo. Kwa hivyo nataka mkue wenye ujasiri. Mjue kwamba sisi kama vijana tunaelewa ile kazi ambayo iko mbele yetu. Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua wanalinda mwananchi, ndio wametutuma hapa mimi, Osotsi, Mheshimiwa Kalasinga na Mheshimiwa Pauline kuwaambia kwamba hatutatumika sisi kupatia Kasongo ati arukie kwa dirisha pale na paka tayari tumeiweka kwa kona, haitawezekana. Haitawezekana. Na tuna sababu zetu. Unajua huyu jamaa hao wa kanisa ndio wamemuingiza kwenye hii nini, inaitwaje hii uongozi. Alikuwa yeye anasema yeye ndio anaamini Mungu, ati kina Sifuna sisi ni waganga. Tukijaribu kuingia church bwana, sisi tunakuja na 250,000 nasema hii ni ya kushona uniform ya kwaya, yeye anaingia na 5 million. Nasikia jameni, hii tutaweza kweli? Saa hii yeye ndio mwenye kukuja mpaka kanisani kule Witima, anapiga tear gas ndani ya kanisa. Mimi ni Mkatoliki, bishop wangu hapa anaitwa Archbishop Muheria. Kwa sababu Muheria hakubaliani na yeye, kanisa Katoliki imemfungia mlango. Wanasema Bishop Muheria pia ni mkabila. Sisi kama Wakatoliki tutasimama na kanisa letu na tutasimama na kanisa la Mungu pahali popote. Ndugu yangu huyu seneta wenu wa Kirinyaga ananipeleka polepole, ananiambia pia mambo yenu ya agriculture na ukulima imeingia shida, kwa sababu Kasongo amefanya mambo yake vibaya. Soko ya majani chai ile ambayo mlikuwa mnauza Sudan imepotea, ile mlikuwa mnauza Iran imepotea. Ananiambia wakora wake wamefungulia wamefungulia wale wanaingiza mchele hapa. Watu yenu ya Mwea sasa nasikia sijui imefika ngapi, 50 ama ni ngapi, 60, na ilikuwa huko 85. Kama Murango ndiye ananiambia hivi vitu. Mimi hapo Nairobi tunasema ni shamba la mawe, mimi si mkulima. Hii vitu ni ukweli ama Murango ananidanganya? Ni ukweli. So tunasema ameshindwa na kazi. Sisi tunataka turudishe ile hadhi ambayo wakulima wetu walikuwa nayo, kwa sababu hiyo ndio nyinyi mlikuwa mnategemea. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka nikamilishie hapo, niwahakikishie. Unajua wanasema kwa Kizungu the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Sijui kwa Kikuyu tunaweza semaje. Mimi najua kwa nini mnatushuku, na nitawaambia kwa nini mtatushuku. Mumesikia viongozi wengi wakiongea vile kina Sifuna wanaongea. Kuna watu pale ndani ya ODM walikuwa wanasema siwezi onekana na Kasongo. Sasa yeye ni waziri. Kuna wale walikuwa wanasema kama vile sisi tunasema hatutanunuliwa. Walinunuliwa, walipigwa mnada kama mbuzi tu. So najua kwa nini hata mimi nikisimama hapa saa hii niwaambie hatutanunuliwa, hamuamini. Kwa sababu Wakenya wamezoea kudanganywa. Wakenya wameona watu wengi ambao walikuwa wanafikiria wanaweza weka matumaini ndani yao, halafu kidogo kidogo wanawageuka. Mimi nataka niwaambie, wacha tungoje. Wacha tungoje. Kule Western niliwauliza kati yao na mimi, wacha tuone nani atatoroka wa kwanza. Na nataka nirudie hapa nikiwa Nyeri. Wacha tuone kati yenu na nyinyi na mimi na sisi wanalinda mwananchi nani atatoroka wa kwanza. Mumenyamaza ni kama nyinyi mnajua. Unajua, moderator ya mwisho, Mheshimiwa Rigiji, kuna jambo ambalo lazima nikuexplainie. Sisi wana ODM ambao tulikuwa kwa competition na nyinyi watu wa Kenya Kwanza, tukipata mwanya ya kuweka kati yenu lazima tungeitumia. Sasa wakati impeachment yako imekuja, wacha nikwambie tu ukweli. Mimi ni SG wa ODM. Naangalia naona hapa hao watu wawili wameanza kugombana, wacha tuongeze sisi moto wakozane wao, ni shauri yao, si hao unajua pale walitoana. Kweli tu kweli nataka niulize hapa Nyeri. Mlikuwa mnataka nifanye nini kama SG wa ODM? Si nilikuwa nitafutie chama yangu nafasi, si ndio? Na si unaona Kasongo ameingia kwa shida. But Mheshimiwa Rigiji, let me tell you, we are convinced that there is no other formula. Before God, there is no other formula other than a united ticket against William Ruto. So, whatever needs to be done, kama ni kusameana, wacha basi tusameane tu. Lakini haiwezekani tumpatie huyo ndugu yetu nafasi yeye aweze kurudi kwenye hiyo kiti aendelee kukandamiza wananchi wetu. Niguo
Aurelia Moseneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna otebanga muraibu ensiri Ruto niga kabarukira baragoringa kielia Raila Amolo Odinga nenge moya trust rugi mwae ya sawe kenkora ya sagia murayo karibwe kiama kiria gia ODM na tos kamotu korogo kwana kurwa chinse mecho murayo kiama gia DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua niga tebete na niga agenderete kwa mocho murayo ense William Ruto asa tebete nga William Ruto no murayo bwate obori mobonge imeyaye na niga beta kurwa chin kwana chabene kurwa chinse mecho sone nigo Gachagua niga tebete buna Ruto niga rweteri yake kuchasa wabunge ase bungerane ile onyare ku mwaka isiko yabisi mayega yokonyoranga nigo abwata basanya bange ime yebunge yene tango tola chinkwana chaye Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua.
Ndio ilifanya mimi nijue Ruto alikuwa ametupangia kama hati ya mlima. Tulimchagua lakini alikuwa na kisu ameficha nyuma. Alikuwa anataka tumpatie panga ya uongozi atumalize. Sasa tulienda pale Ikulu, kulikuwa na uchaguzi wa Yala. Viti 9 tukagawana. Viti 5 kwa Kenya Kwanza. Viti 4 kwa Azimio. Kanini akaenda akagombea kiti moja kwa Azimio. Na sisi tukaweka huyu Maina Karobia kutoka Mlima. Huyu mama Zipora Kering rafiki yangu. Nilikuwa nimemwahidi nikiwa Nandi ya kwamba alipoanguka nomination usiende, tutakusaidia. So sisi tumeenda, Kasongo akasema kuliko tuende kupigana kwa bunge, situfanye uchaguzi within, tusikisane watu wetu 5 ni gani. Mimi nikasema ni sawa. Akina Ichung'wa wakapanga nini. Hii Ichung'wa nikakunia tangu zamani. Sasa wamepanga na Kasongo. Kasongo akasema tuchaguane. Sisi tulikuwa tumetoka uchaguzi. Watu ya Rift Valley na ya Mlima tuko kitu kimo. Na we have the numbers. So mimi sikuwa naona iko shida. Ya Zipora Kering akakuja, wakale wakampigia, watu wangu wakampigia, akapita. Mwingine akakuja, akapita. Sasa walikuwa wameambiwa wajitetee. Maina Karobia akaamuka kujitetea. Akijitetea makofi napigwa pa na kila mtu. Nikajua mtu yangu amepita. Kura kupigwa, huyu Karobia akaanguka. Kumbe Ruto alikuwa ameita wa Kalenjin, akaambia msipigie Karobia, mpigie mtu mwingine. Wakaangusha Karobia. Nikauliza Ichung'wa, what is this? Akaanza kumbe walikuwa wamepanga na Kasongo. So akapanga na wa Kalenjin to make sure hakuna mtu ya Mlima Kenya ameenda Yala. So mimi nikamuuliza, wewe president, nikatoa uso mkali, nikamuuliza wewe William Ruto, viti 5 ya Kenya Kwanza ati hakuna moja ya Mlima, na tulikupatia 47 ya kura, ni mimi nitaambia watu ya Mlima nini? We gave you 47% of our vote. Hii viti natakiwa tuchukue 3 ama 2 out of 5, but we want 1. Hiyo moja umetunyang'anya. Nao Wakalenjin wako siri, wanapigia Karobia makofi lakini wampatie kura. Na Kasongo wamepanga na Ichung'wa. So sisi tukakuwa tumekosa kiti. So mimi nikajiuliza, nikienda mlimani nitaambia watu nini? I told Kasongo, no, it's not possible. Akaniambia, wewe Rigathi, bana lete maneno mingi bana. Si kura imepigwa hapa. Tuheshimu kura. Nikamwambia hii kura hata kama imepigwa naona tulipangiwa. Akaniambia no, wacha ikae namna hiyo, wacha waende bunge ipite namna hiyo. Nikamwambia no. Akaita Kindiki. Wewe Kindiki, hebu ongelesha Rigiji azikoroge hii maneno. Hii Kindiki ni mtu bure. Yes sir. Sasa akaniita kando Kindiki. Deputy President, vile rais amesema wacha iende namna. Nikamuuliza Kindiki, my brother, what do we tell the mountain people? Out of 5 seats we have nothing. Kwa Kenya Kwanza. Na sisi ndio tumeingiza hii mtu amekuwa rais, na wabunge wale wengi ni wetu na tumeshindwa. Na ni wabunge wa Kalenjin walipanga wakaangusha mtu wetu. Na sisi tumepitisha huyu Mkalenjin Zipora Kering. Watu yangu wote wamempigia kura amepita. Nikasema hapana. Saa hiyo wabunge wangu walikuwa watu wazuri. Wakatoka wote. Hakuna mtu anaongea na mwingine. Kasongo wakajaribu kuwaongelesha, wakatoka wakaenda straight to my office. Nikafika huko nikawakuta. Huyu msichana mdogo ya Kirinyaga, huyu Kasheri, akanishika tai. Akaniambia, wewe Rigiji ulituambia tuamini hii Ruto. Sasa hii ni mambo gani? Karibu hii watu wanipige. So mimi nikakaa nao nikawatuliza. What do we do? Saa hiyo Ruto akajua tumekutana. Akanipigia, wewe Usibadilishe hiyo maneno. Wewe Rigathi, sisi ni kitu kimoja, tumepiga kura, imeisha. Please don't try to interfere with what we have agreed. Nikamwambia rais, I cannot promise you, but let me look into it. So tumeongea na watu yangu, tumesikizana. We overturned that thing. Nikasema sasa, hii Azimio pia wamepangia Kanini. Kanini ni wetu. Sasa vile Ruto wametupangia, watu ya Azimio wamepangia Kanini, tutapitisha Karovia na tupitishe Kanini. Hapo ndio Kanini aliponea. So we Kanini uliponea Kasongo kusaliti sisi. Kama angetusaliti ungezama. Sasa nikaambia watu yangu, you are the majority, kwendeni bunge mfanye campaign. Go and overturn that thing on the floor of the house. Wakaniambia niwasaidie kidogo, nikapanga maneno nikawasaidia. Wakaenda bunge wakakoroga, uchaguzi ikafanywa. Huyu Karovia akakuwa mbunge na huyu Kanini akakuwa mbunge. That is the day Kasongo made a decision to get MPs and bribe them to start undermining me. Akajua huyu Rigiji akiwa na control hii wajumbe ya Mulima atakuwa shida kwangu. So akaanza kuchukua hii wajumbe, kuwapatia pesa wakiwa na Ichung'wa, kuwatoa kwetu mpaka akakuja akatufukuza. But nilijua alikuwa ametupangia hata kabla hatujachagua yeye. Hiyo kitu ya Yala ndio ilifanya mimi nijue. So wewe Maina Karovia, as you sit with Kasongo, that is your enemy. Isipokuwa ni mimi nilikusaidia na hii wabunge, ungekuwa huko nje. But the choice is yours. Roho ya mtu inakula kile kitu inafanya.
Manchumu yulio tigana na yoga shago nigo habara ibande bekane tansensemo yoko mwenye mongina oinyagosira mamu mwago Kanini kega ani ndungu ngamo na Justin Muturi mabego mubunge wesemo ya Kabuchi akurume county ire ya Bungoma nkumukwandra mheshimiwa Majimbo Karasinga asobwamo niko Justin Muturi habore tio murembe amono bamokobo asensemere ya United Opposition bunenchira yemo oyoko bwatana elio segange yamo yokumorusi abisyo maraibwense William Samoei Ruto busyo bochorio bwene mu mwaka w'ikibere 2025 na asensemo ya Karasinga nigo anagatinga ensemo ya Western Yonsi nigere mega ya one time asata etenga bono ekirenga kinga ba Kenya batirigo chikogorwa ne chibesa yeli gwaka chikora kurende nigo chiwake kura konengana na magendero ali abereko bakago korwa na baigobora ibuli wabere bwikirani bwo emergency ya Kenya toragire lingo nkwana ya Justin Muturi hamo onere humubunge Majimbo Karasinga.
Those of us in the opposition styling ourselves the United Alternative Government, Honorable Sankok, have only one duty: to maintain our unity, because you see, we understand the other side very well, very well. Regarding being there, I haven't been there. You know, we know what the plans, Pale. So we know that the plan is to maintain, to make sure that this group disintegrates. But I can assure you, this group will remain united. And if you see any one of us, na ndio ningetaka tu kuuliza wananchi, kwa sababu kila pahali tumetembea, hivyo ndivyo wananchi wametuambia, lazima tuwe pamoja. Na yule wetu mmoja ambaye mtaona akitangatanga huko peke yake, ati iko na jambo lingine akuja kuongea ambalo zio la umoja wetu, mjue huyo ni msaliti. Any one of us that begins to chart their own course independently is a traitor to the people and a traitor to the cause that Kenyans have adopted, which is to get rid of bad governance. We are united in making sure that we get rid of bad governance, restore order, the rule of law, and constitutionalism in this country.
Uko mahali natoka Western mzima, nataka niwaeleze hapa tuko one term. It's one term because the entire system ya government. 2 months ago tulikuwa na by election. Kwangu kwa constituency yangu, my MCA died. When I stood strong with 1 term, I beat all of them hands down with their money. So money does not matter. What matter is your conviction and the people. And the people said 1 term, and they have remained 1 term in Western. Tukiwa huko Western, sisi ndio Sifuna. Na leo sisi ndio Sifuna, Sifuna mwenyewe yuko hapa. Na Your Excellency Rigji, sisi kama huko chini, nyinyi kama huku juu, tunataka tufike mahali tuchukue wewe, huyu speaker Kalonzo Musyoka, huyu Sifuna na wengine, tumufungie kwa nyumba na mpaka mkubaliane, mtoke nje na kiongozi, tungoe hii serikali na tuumiza hii. That one hatuwezi fumilia na tukapoteza chance ambaye we are supposed to do.
Mchemo ya tego tikana na yo hariko kwano chinseme chichie county ya Nyeri Toska ningo bona abwatani bekiama kia UDA bene kiribuna kiame kia UDA nigo kia bekire meroberi ao yogo tinye bunyamasi bwe kiame kyo anekwane kinga ingo chikerega kora buya bose bo chero bone mwaka chibere 2025 nebere 2027 ase ebirogo ao chakere kyo MCA go ikekero okyobora ibwense bakorawa hano muri kiwe kiame kyo Hassan Omar Hassan nigate bune kiama kia UDA kibwa tiko chora konde bwense na bigone kiama aba Kenya bonsi asirigateberwa ne kiama bona kendera konga na nigo bawo chikokora buya bose obochorio obonene ewogocha.
Sisi sio wale watu tunategea, tunasema labda pale iko jamii hii kubwa zaidi na hapo ndio tunaweza pata support. Wherever there is an election, UDA will be there. Whatever the situation, whatever the perceptions, UDA will be there, and UDA will run a candidate because UDA is a national party. It does not believe in balkanization. It does not believe in fiefdoms. It does not believe in chiefdoms. UDA has the courage to stand the ground anywhere. And I'm very grateful to the leaders of Nyandarua and Mount Kenya generally as a demonstration that they shall fight all manners of chauvinism, parochialism, any form of divisions. I never thought in my time I will hear a leader refer to others as traitors, a leader refer to others as different kinds of names. These are the kind of things that we must shun off. And if you look at the brilliance, the collection of brilliance and the collection of capacity that we have, I think the UDA stands a pace higher, and I am really grateful for that. Mushina, I liked your caution. Sisi, we are a party that governs. We have a responsibility. As Lumumba likes to put it, we are the ones who have the egg, and we need to safeguard that egg. So we expect that you shall conduct your elections in the most peaceful and manner possible. We have a nation to safeguard. We have a people to protect. We have a program to run. We believe that every Kenyan must be given an equal opportunity to participate in a democratic process without violence, without any form of intimidation. And therefore, I liked the caution that all Kalau will move on after the July 16th elections as one people, indivisible, contributing to the nation called Kenya. And therefore, that is the kind of tranquility and peace we must endeavor to achieve. And the last comment, Kate, Faith na Moses. Wajua sisi wa pwani kwa muda mrefu watu walite ridicule, hatuna uwerevu. Kwamba sijui ni watu wa kuongojea nazi kuanguka. Tukaitwa wazee hao waliopita, badala kutuita wavuvi wakatuita wavivu. Lakini sisi tunakaa tukishangaa, hii serikali ilipiganiwa zaidi na maeneo ya Mount Kenya, na kwa idadi kubwa nyinyi ndio occupy hii serikali. Kupigana na serikali nayo tuulize, sisi tumekuwa upinzani miaka mingi, si rahisi. Mimi ndio kwa mara ya kwanza niko kwa serikali. In fact inachokesha zaidi kuwa katika serikali because unaona mambo mingi yanaanza kufanyika. Heshima imerudi, ubakaji wa katiba umeisha, watoto wetu hawafi kiholela. Unaona tumepata nyadhifa tofauti. Leo nikikuwekea mkononi tu zile nyadhifa tumepata, ni heshima kubwa Rais William Ruto alitupa. Nyinyi mnatoka kwa serikali kutafuta serikali. Sisi tumepanua benchi yetu. Tuambia songeni bwana. Wengine unakumbuka zamani mkiwa mnaenda nje na mko na pesa kidogo kama vijana, unaingia kwa taxi. Hiyo taxi kanakaa kadogo kama Vitz, lakini inashukisha watu kama matatu. Unaona ndio huyo Guri ametoka, ndio huyo Hassan ametoka. Mumefinyana kwa hiyo taxi. Sisi tunasongeleana wengine. Wale wenzetu waliotoka kutoka ODM ndani ya Pwani wanasema wao hawabanduki tena, hawatoki kwa serikali, watatafuta serikali ndani ya serikali. Wengine wanatoka kwa serikali kutafuta serikali. Hiyo katika lugha zetu za Mombasa tunazita hekaya za Kiabunuasi. I am happy of the caution that you are presenting to the people about an inclusive government and being in government to defend government and in being in government to win government. Na sisi tunasema sisi hii serikali tunataka kila mtu awe ndani. Tunataka Mushina ndani, nataka Faith awe ndani, Kuria awe ndani, Jimmy Kainde awe ndani, watu wa Emuru wa Dikiru awe ndani, watu wa Burko awe ndani, watu wa Lokichoge wawe ndani, watu wa huko North Ho wawe ndani, watu wa Kinango wawe ndani. Pembe zote za Kenya ziwakilishwe. Na hiyo ndio ile heshima ambayo hii serikali imepatia kila mtu.
Mwancho muirelie korrekana ngobo choli burari mutu mwakugo tengora chiko ko mukirage nechinse moibere semelia ayiwate ne serikali ODM amane serikali ne semelia United Opposition ikorwa Rigathi Gachagua Fred Matiang'i Justin Muturi awasifuna abatebere ngo bakorega siamo burari korrekana ngobo choli getobo komsana kutana korrekana imeyense ya Kenya kare chiro tukide kemerongo ene na ibere gore chinse ya chabona mwancho muirelie ngo tuchiko kwana yabona mambi bagani bane na bari me studio ngo chiro swaga igato kwana barabwa mange ikare ngo tukumurikero borai imwe gosabarai ime yoborai gosaba abasai ime yoborai bwe county ya Nyamira anekere county ya Nyamira bariko bagikomorekwa asema tukabwango iga kubatkana ane usikubatkana no kumana gati abagabana aba MCA nabayigo goko igukara ne miroberio yo ya magendero ase county yeyo tochiko kwandra mange hanene nke basabona tekokora eriko ranga county ya Nyamira ngwikiraniro borai buri bwendete nabayigo ngwikiraniro ya magendero ase chinsemo ao aningo chigotwara ashua morema uyo korigekerego kiria kyo obwe MCA ase ward ya Magombo gwetera setikitigia ya UDA na betega kurijia nende bonega bado atano ari nchira higoshua moremano ari me studio gaiga tochi gukwana nere huyo kurigie kiro kibo MCA ewe ward ya Rigoma ward ime county ya Nyamira tochi gukwana nere igoro ya mangana ayobo sai gusaba sai ime ya siasa mona magendero ya county ya Nyamira Thomas kumwe banga Daniel Otiso no ari ngeiga nende no ari tukirero uyore umunya kerebo bwa abasai bechi university gose Nyamira University Students Association nabo igoro mo kibwa se University ya Kenyatta University aiga imeyo mochi Nairobi tochiko kwana mange igoro y'abasai amo honna gwesana nege siasa na magendero ya county ya Nyamira tochiko manyanga ya county ya Nyamira ikirabone igere gose bere kwa konya ke magendero gose igere magega agose nikibone tokorwa hiliyo gonchereria na gokora moncheri ime county ya Nyamira yeyo gendero tokubekwa setorobini gwetera ebintu ao anane asobokara libwaye ime county yeyo bokara libwaye chinsemo ao obochenu amabochenu ani gochibara na chinsemo chinde ebuna chiskuru mwancho mweli na bangi banete kukiba chimeze chigo cha megaiga akoro kwanere Lamek Ongeri Mogere ati abagale live korwe chinsemo chichekerenyo live muyamono Lamek Ongeri Mogere mubwatilia sana bwen Soko TV asoko gendra gotegerera na gotosonche mambia ya abonoiga jeria kerubo onere ngo karega iga esenchera ya abene agokoro kwangane rejeria kirubo following live kurwa chinsa machabari ni Kingdom goika Ensoko TV nyanigo Moses Omwenga hagote banga watching live korukeroka mbuya mwana Moses Omwenga kunsa mochichi keroka ndobwato yondokoro komoga ka kiragita nera hote abai following live mbuya mwana moga kiragita soko Ensoko TV chideke marongo nena inyecha butokiro chinsa inyecha bona mambia ngere mutumoko mosini mwanche moringirane nabagani bantu chiko kwana mange na kuruga winyoranga intoba ngente kwa banga mochiko baira ya maseba goika sense mochichanya bururu asomo yigabwa mwerio bwoko mwenia humongi na Teresia uyore mamo mwabo mugaba uso omaseneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Momaima Onyonka.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi obutindiro bosombasi amate ninkikere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gotumia amaruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikarwari. Kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari. Erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
asamange twakirishimyase namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburio gukora chingatare ichyobutindu nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asengichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Mrna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyechense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana majia.
Kera kama tingatara, gaike taoni ya nyamira na rena shauri sangwe, ngararo moijana. Umozu wataya mabwari.
Muligeri bwa Ensoko TV, oyo no moroberio bwo kongolia mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au, turabe tukumira na kira litukulie iki. Guchakira chinsa 10 cy'amagoroba wikenseyemo yabutuko. Tugwakorire imirimo yawe yerituko. kwabukire orosete uikaransitiru ya ubu yandajita sekerugo orambulete merondo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na Mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegete ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa obe bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
Mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro balia gusi aiga no mugusi yakwa yulibaga na konyara kobaga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki Mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chia gusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare ko batoko genda asibali bali chinse mo chire isiko ya gusi sichinse mo buna ichana kuru Mwancho muligereri elitonyara ko batopo omugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara ko bakoigwewa na nene mono ntonyare ko batoko so asichinse mo Childoret no mugusi ora asichinse mo Childoret nenyara nyara ko bakoigwewa Mwancho muligereri ntonyare ko batoko genda asibali barasa masamba una chinse mo Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale enuletie tonyare ko batoko ireke gusioro no mugusi anyare ko bagakoigwewa asenjera enkeranu chinsemo chia Mombasa ntonyare ko batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyare ko bagakoigwewa asenjera enkeranu aiga omwancho muligereria segeta seni ya Soko TV no gotuchi ko batoko kora eke korugeito tonyare ko batoko gekora asenjera bwenerete mwancho aiga ntokore nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino Mwancho muligereri tonyara ko batoko koraria okorariko nyagosira asenjira ebwenerete Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwakira litko bwomugusi nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi likomera liburga lisamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asenka yomugusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somorobelio wikiage kyomugusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga no mugusi korwa chingongo elio kumanya naki bakonyorera enyere yabo ya kera litko omocha
ebagotebango yogose como elio nero gose kabya maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia osigete Ensoko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale koba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liye abande bagotabanga Jumamosi abande batabanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bwumugusi.
Na kwa sasa ningependa kutambua baadhi ya wageni wetu wale ambao wamefika, wageni wetu wa heshima. Mheshimiwa Kemosi, the chair of Jubilee Party. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Kemosi, the former member of parliament for West Mugirango. Tunakutambua, asante sana kwa kufika. Mheshimiwa Lydia Mora, Secretary Jubilee Nyamira, tunakutambua. Janet Kumenda, Chairperson Jubilee Nyamira County, tunakutambua. Mheshimiwa Andrew Mauvi, anayewania kiti cha ubunge Kitutu Chache, South tunakutambua. Mheshimiwa Richard Mwevi Kwanga, tunakutambua uwepo wako. Asante sana. Na vile nimesema tutakuwa na wakati mzuri wa kujua familia ya Mama Teresa. Lakini kwa sasa kwa mara nyingine tena ningependa kushukuru kanisa letu la Catholic Parish ya Nyahururu ikiongozwa na Father Rogena. Thank you so much Father kwa mwelekezi wako na ule utaratibu ambao umetupatia. Tutajaribu sana kuzingatia ili mama aheshimiwe wakati huu tunapompatia mkono wa buriani. Sasa mtaniruhusu nikaweze kuleta makundi yafuatayo. Nitawaleta wale tunaita the brothers and sisters to Mama Teresa. Ningependa mkuje hapa mbele abana bamwabo omongina Teresa ntagete mutenegocha. Daktari please mkuje hapa mbele. Bono chugo chagaiga abana bamwabo Teresa. Ekeromo konyora chi programu ekyo nchechite tikubanjera mukwane egekogera nigo tore gatigati emisa igo nasabire barimo kwana ne program ngora igo naende mukire. Mheshimiwa Janet Ongera, the former women rep Kisii County, asante sana, tunakutambua Mama Janet Ongera, may God bless you, good to see you, na asante kwa kufika mapema. Na ningependa kutambua makundi yafuatayo. Team Kisumu County nimearifiwa wamefika. Asante sana team Kisumu County. Team Mombasa nitaarifiwa nani yule ambaye amewakilisha team Mombasa, kwa hivyo nitapata yale majina ya team Mombasa. Asante kwa kufika. Na team Makueni wamesafiri all the way from Makueni, wamefika hapa, tunawatambua. May God bless you so much. Now tuko na official camera person wala ambao wameruhusiwa na familia. Security team please, there are so many camera details wako hapa mbele. Kindly you clear the space na mtanisaidia hivyo tafadhali. Wale mko hapa mbele, kuna wale ambao wameruhusiwa na familia kupiga picha, kwa hivyo naomba tafadhali tuheshimu utaratibu huo. Thank you. Asante sana. Kuna watu wengi ambao wamekaa nyuma ya familia ambao sio familia. Tafadhali Walter please, you will assist me. Go with Peter. There are so many people who are seated behind the family ambao hawafai kukaa huko. Tafadhali security team tusaidie, we clear that space. Thank you so much. Together with Walter and the security team, you go and clear that space. May God bless you. Familia mkuje hapa tafadhali. Familia mkuje. Thank you so much, Nyakango. I can see you. Thank you, Kisii Welfare Association team led by Elkana Onyando. Asante sana, tunakutambua kabisa. Sasa nimearifiwa familia kuna members ambao hawajafika, kwa hivyo tutawapatia nafasi, wakati wakifika itakuwa sawa. But now allow me to ask Uncle Richard. Uncle to Richard, Domin Mutinda. Ukuje hapa tafadhali. Mutindi tafadhali ukuje. Uncle Mutindi tafadhali, ningependa ukuje uwakilishe all the uncles. Uncle Mutindi please, ningependa ukuje. Uncle Mutindi. Uncle Mutindi please. Jimmy utanisaidia kama uncle wako karibie huku. Na kama hajafika ni sawa. So we have recognized all the uncles. sababu unajua ratiba itabadilika kidogo kwa sababu ya Naam, kama Anko Mtindi hayupo, sijui kama Rose Gumbo yuko. Rose, where are you please? Mtindi yako wapi? Oh, thank you so much Anko, please. Kuja tafadhali. Rose, on behalf of the cousins. Rose, where is Rose? Rose, she's going to represent all the cousins. Mama Teresa alikuwa na cousins wengi, akona uncles wengi. Familia ya Rose ni kubwa. Kwa hivyo hawa wanakuja hapa mbele wanawakilisha. Karibu.
Na kuambia pole sana kwa hii msiba mmempata. Mama Teresa alikuwa mtu wa heshima na alikuwa amejulikana zaidi, na sisi kama kutoka kwa Mairura tuna na nyinyi kuomboleza hii kifo na ile the pain ambao mko nayo ya Momoke, ni ambao mko nayo ya Momoke.
So I represent
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bw'umugusi obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninki kere tokore
asa marieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ugoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna amariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna amariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwari kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obi
asamange twakirisimia namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichibulio gukora chingatare ichobutindu ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gusenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetiri uratumia singa kichonsi chipetiri uratumie asigari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo betri hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu kuja mstatiwa, wachana na betri kama hizi, tumia Autobat. Betri ni Autobat.
Ebago tebango yogose komo elio nero gose kabia maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete senikia usigete gen Soko TV boni go yakirenga kingo kore tanga Nyasaye nigonda kore tro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banyasaye abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantali yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyare koba tokurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liye bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchomulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyasaye ntokoletere umurubili bweleso seseni Eye Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Amen. Thank you so much. Asante sana kwaya na kanisa tunasema. Kanisa tunasema. Asante sana. May God bless you so much. Tuko hapa na Dan Hassan na ako tayari kufariji familia na wimbo. Tukiendelea hivyo, Dan Hassan akiendelea kutubariki na wimbo The Gusii Council of Elders led by Mzee James Matundura. Ningependa tu mtakuja msimame hapa mpiwe picha kwa niaba ya The Gusii Council of Elders both Kisii and Nyamira, kwa sababu tuko hapa kumomboleza mama ambaye amekuwa ni kioo ya jamii. Kwa hivyo the Council of Elders mtaendelea kusimama, nyote msimame hapa mbele mpiwe picha, alafu Dan Hassan akiendelea na wimbo. Dan Hassan please. DJ Dan Hassan.
Kera etaya yoke mosunte ngochaore.
Karibu nendo mwache mwiriria mambi yabonega chideka cha butugini 10 igoro yechinsa isano chiabono mambi yakira togendrete asinchira ya abene kurume yomurubirio wetrobini ikonkoro kwa Daniel Omuoga na botamira batetinga bagani bane ngo sobari me studio gaiga na nga kogotenga gochibare to kwana bara wesenchira ya bene ekero twarure gali to chibicha chengi kirese skini yo mwachi mwiriria nkorwa ya masa ya mokuru somo bogani omwana kigaria imeyansemo ya mosocho nsemo ibunge ya kitutu uchache sauti yure me wodi eri ya nyakoyo mwanchi mwegereria ase umunyika bo mwelio wokumwene umongena Teresia Omoke ogendrete uyure mamo mwabo umuseneta bwi county ya Kisii Richard Momaima Onyonka gweterese tigiti ya ODM abarai ababerko bawe ikomwanchi mwiriria ne emise kora urero na Father Ogena musasiroti kurwa semisiri ya Nyaburu parish nero gochikora bene muriga bwo mweli bo musubati gosomongi na Teresia Omoke kuroso bwiko bwensema yosirugi mabwaye eyiki ya etire nabayigo abaganiga abarabege siasa bayikiro gati yabo omosino are garia Andrew Mobi oyikiro yokorige kero kirike bochumbe kurwa sensemo yebunge ya kitutu uchache sauti tobondro musubati Janet Ongera yokabere mumende pupwe county ya Kisii ikiregari gati abaribanda bange bakire wikoro na utokagere komora Alfredo Kengo Matiangi tukare kara bare muna baidi nisifuna bali abare nsemeria ya linda mwananchi bakere wika chinseme cyo na kuchinkwa na chiabo ase moroberi bo mwere kabisa boko mwanya homongi na Teresia wendreta kore kana bona igana tokokwa na kurwa sensemeria ye umobogani omona kihigari sensemo ya mosocho miensemo yebunge ya kitutu chache sauti seyemo ye masemo kwena wika sabagani bane mambi yabone gatokwa na mangale ngiti Nyamira kurugabu ninchiko kwelani ye masemo wika chinsemo cha mona kigari ya mosocho endo nyara kwera chibicha chabene kuruso moyiga boko mwanya omongi na Teresia nenere shwa morema unanagote ya kurukare uyo kubode kiro kyo MCA musae kurwa sensemeria ye wode ya Magombe gotoke meye county ya Nyamira gochaka tengia kwera hakobode kiro kyo MCA ndi tangani gosene ntunda ya kabire ayon singo chere ko resenchira ayabene nane nakwanenga kibono gekwera basae ayirbe gweso kya sobonge kulija ebirogo ne birogo byo chumbe hamone birogo bire byo MCA meyense ya Kenya nimbwate Daniel Otiso oyore munyakirebo obwekembekeria kyaboroke bwe Kisukuru Universities ya yose ya Nyamira University Tertiary Student Association kurwa university ya Wasome University ya Kenyatta University ya game mu China Robia senchira ya bene ngo bare atatu kwandra mange anigoro ya siasa na magendero imeye county ya Nyamira county ya Rukabyo komori kwa motukabwango anokumusano gutindikira kwa na kibogati ya ABMCA amo ona omugabana we county yo Amos Kimomi Inyaribo senchira ya bene gochaka naye shwa.
Asante sana ndugu yangu Daniel asio wikaga igarero
kamera ya ukanani
nkoro ku shwa morema irinde Isaac igonko buri kiro kyo MCA nkoro kitutu Masaba Magombo ward
kitu Masaba ne constituency ya Clive Side
ombane gisaire ngoko
yes egati echi ward sita chirese
County ya Nyamira.
County ya Nyamira yani chirese chiwori chirase constituency ya kitu Masaba ngati ya Gesima Rigoma Kemera nabo igo Magombo yo kubolyo MCA nguchiko te ya mange igoro yayo omusayando muke sana Daniel karibu sana
ambia mono mweredia asama dia tani gonkoro kwa Daniel Otiso igonkoro adia Kemera ward Kitutu Masaba constituency Nyamira county ni gondo mwanafunzi ase Kenyatta University na ndini gonde chairman ya Nyamira University and Tertiary Students Association ikikere kyombekia banafunzi bakuru ase county ya Nyamira bagosoma chiskuru awa asense ya Kenya
mbia mono karibu sana hata chuko kwana mangaro lakini singe chinga kito uchi kutema kwa ya kwana sana tanya kunyabika sika kabe kama na igere coincidence ngali mwensi yo mukuru ase constituency ya mochi ward tobauti ya mukuru ward ya kamera no mukuru ward area ya amagombo shwa gutukubokira rero twarebe ya mabutake komenta sana abidisa ya mentirese ebe yego sana timetinga kyora kwandinga nejo
kero kurigereri siasa ya Kenya and the economy muneko genda ebintu byabire bikomenta based on the world economy. Kero to kurigeria mabuta mentire ase Kenya gaiga ne changamoto enene sana ase mwananchi wa kawaida. But again to what some of the challenges chiagerire amabuta ya kinire. But on my end as I sit yotora tebie serikali nga erigereri common mwananchi their day-to-day activities chabo erinde bakeya mabuta kyagera ngo affectare abantu bonse pia at all level.
Nkwana yo Daniel.
Igorebe ya mabuta komenta egende kene kyagedire digo dia mabuta komenta na singi chese gie Middle East. Asingi ncha mabuta mange ni gakorwa Middle East. No mining ya mabuta dia korekana mono. Lakini nande some 3 to 4 years ago engakia Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta bado ntu abwate segia se Russia na Ukraine. Lakini ekere Uhuru Muigai aringo mora ibwense niga beta kureta subsidies abegete around 16 billion ili go beke digo diria maguta dibensake ase go mora ibwense William Ruto entabwenta akore abeke subsidies chiri nonye for the next 2 to 3 months na diaba Kenya bataigu diberera digo dia maguta ko baigoro mono egento kende to kodge taxation era sa maguta ni gere igoro mono asenge nchama gutekera kogoru agocha kurwa se pump palite gocha na around 100 shillings lakini taxes chirichiradi echire chinene mono 1 month ago mtu aroraga okay that tax kuru 16% mpaka 8% na kika gereta digo diriri likake yake na ba Kenya baba go okay chingorake lakini bona nane twarore diesel ge commenta by 40 shillings na petrol by 16 shillings aba Kenya nigo balde no omoichano monne sana na ndo moraibwense ni gaboneta soya se dinganedi na ko make sure ngadi go diria makuta dia keire na dia aba Kenya at least barabe na obogima boro rake
mbuya mono hase nkwani yabene to mwantu wetena to kwana kabisa mwana shwa morema mwana Daniel Otiso bonsi bakura kurese county ya Nyamira bakurese ward area Kitutu Masaba to kunere magana ge siasa kego tumego so se county ya Nyamira yani to kuna yake akese sengenche chingaki ritkuregoro sifuna naringa samatanga yoko mwenye mamu abo omwe mpio yela kikanini kegana na kwa ntegoro yoko korigasi inakashagwa ine sifuna linda mwananchi ino wale nsema ya babu wino bachiko bwatana na United Opposition do you feel a threat which is sema Raibwenzi William Ruto anele uchibo chorobone
nchimuno mosaya sente ni nande kironko na nama maoniane yo they are headed a direction erengia omonene wense tabonte ko ba threatened kiagera na ki when democracy era sense they need to expect that there is diversity as a leadership yense expecting omonto na are kiagera maoni to tako ba hospia abwekaine bare bara atwara maoni tofauti irinde yago choka kwa manyanka yote ni ense tenene kayote ni no murai wense na kinkai wananchi wate ni kawaida so omosike sifuno maseneto Nairobi mnae positionity as a siasa yetu ya Kenya I think mno masae he carries a vision ya bantabange as much as we might not be together politically he carries maoni aria mange ya common mwananchi and I feel like the president needs to call abantu abamo baikaransense ba analyze na kina kimwananchi ya kawaida tagete na kinandense tagete at large so that ebirengereri biko beko kabwe kemo wense yaitu na beko genda bosiamo
tuko tigaro sore sure litkuregoro ekiombekeria tifa gikokora mangana yo buringoli bwe siasa mense ya Kenya ngiaso gitio roboti ukorunga wikabonega preferred candidate yorabwe tuze kwendetebe William Ruto na 24% Kalonzo na bakungwate 19 Matiang'i korongo rwagusina 14 alafu sifuna 10% kurende ikiombeki gatebanga ibaise kubwatana yento kena kubolia tigo somo Raibwenzi nabe ko bakatore threat baise kubwatana mo oyuele Kalonzo Matiang'i mo na sifuna nigo waguchikoreta 76% yere about 50% ya sobware sana na kumugwa rais sana mo Raibwenzi William Ruto timetinga ki horere nkone
keroma ite report yego cha yasoka abantu abange bagocha barigereri kiri baro babekera umutu but as much as united opposition eroro nande William Ruto natene no murai wense when okorigereri report yumuna yasogete the reason as to why are a preferred candidate bado because he still commands a majority of the group within the country nande based on the by elections chia korikanire obeire gokobwa iko kworo kinga echama ya UDA nere muno murai wense nabo ateri ogi bado asaba na inchi ba kawaida united opposition babo Kalonzo Musyoka na Omosikito Fred Okengo Nyamba Fred Okengo nababo watana the strategy baratumiere ko rusi oseko wapia as a united front is strong is not about a collective mindset ko baikaranse inse barigereri ngana na kieme chandon kayere because muno torengereti barabwatane na de tubwente twakesa abunga omosike William Ruto nere nabwate birengereri ebyo nabarabwatane nabande bare united opposition kiagera siasa tebwati mukwake tebwati bebe nabagara nyore koko bakobwatana nabande bakoregazi so anything can happen in politics so naboto expect both sides omosike William Samoei Ruto airane which is a high chance airane and then we are expecting also the united opposition bagwe choka buya then they might stand a chance but as it stands with all the collective mindset babwate aseta hiyo kiriri kochi
Daniel tibe tikwara kiwate igoro yekwere yo igoro yokubwatana William Ruto agotigara strong contender wero kabaga ko bibiro obya by elections itokara ko bwachise mucha orogongo strong old Gachagua nabwete mwadiki litko igoro butkubokera rero mega yo mu kwendo ekubwa akakiora kwane is it going to be a threat bad because babate anero preferred isibone kurinde ukubwatana we nseme yende yere linda mwananchi amo united opposition nga kioroche
report yuna yasogete igoro njengwanjira nande nero asebono mondo preferred William Ruto lakini the united opposition ega sibwate nenyororo sana bagende baisaransense erumwe yemo Matiang'i Kalonzo Sifuna Babu Owino Rigathi Gachagua bonse baisaransense bamaego to monto yomo okobe president monto ndabe running mate no ndabe prime minister bago to monto yomo ntubuna ba Kenya egasietera beraisi wakiro monto oyoyo mochikura asenje basago cha se ballot once pi igeyo erabe gasiraisi sana aso mheshimiwa William Ruto kobabwa lakini base kongana na bako iro muraibwense nka na about the by elections ya bere chiko koreka na Emurua Dikil Mere North Malava constituency by elections echiga echire chia koreka nta setora tebe isolation asinge nchoko nyora ngava serikali na machine ya Yonspi nigeko endase those constituencies you know about me the state powers nechibeze babwa
korengana state power ya gere
no again it's a strategy I think what ranera ke but again it is democracy once you are a state official na ande no rene chinguri chogo tumia every resources that you have to ensure that abantu bagombare at a representation state use the resources kegera you in those powerful positions so that you help the people so kero korigereri siasa imuna ya korekanete ya chiba election echi I mean it is not about state power ma state machinery it is about the ideologies chiria abantu bari bachetegeti they sold their ideologies toko tebanga state resources abande resources mbabwati
korengana na Daniel
igabwa se tiba elections yeche kinda tebe serikali ni yatumete instruments of persuasion and coercion asenge nchobuna Malava constituency ndwaro cho mheshimiwa Seth Panyako oyo lenge the candidate for opposition ega kubwatu baka akalero mwenyene agatebange serikali ya mnyo kilimono okwenda Mere North serikali ni goyereta ebintu bune obosi wale kwenda se refugees bakaira Mere North bakabantu ige serikali na andiko kwenda bado Mere North nigo yatumita abasigadi ko said abantu koru as those polling stations igo there was a lot of state machineries chatumita as those by elections but kwenda 2027 in these constituencies nigera be a fair ground for all candidates asenjo William Ruto nigara be go focus on his race for re-elections na ababanda abatigete bakabwa they'll be focusing on their races as individuals
Aya way about that yo kwande goro yogo sibwa review chiche bwero tu abantu bambere not.
Omaite, when you are in the united opposition, go say you would say anything to make sure the government looks bad at the end of the day. But again, when we go down to facts, there is no fact that has been ascertained. Ngana na ki obosimbo acheta ari boachi refugee. You know, in fact, onye toko chaka kwa that discussion to my thing we perpetrate nene yo kwebo bosina ngose ngashakwa na ki arusete ko podio and all that. So when we do this claiming that the government inject state resources na go say amasi refugees, then the first perpetrator who needs to be arrested and questioned is Rigathi Gachagua. You
are from the side of the government, from the word go. What about Zaire Omobunga Zaire Janda?
Omobunga Zaire Janda kusi ndate benga. You know, Kenya is a democratic state. Nande omo Kenya onde wensi or menyira ase mbabwate their rights choko bori chikura mbabwate rights chiabo choko interact na the common mwananchi ase babere toko chaka koira siasa ngati Zahir Janda gose no moindi gose nki keroba mbare komo chora mba maite no moindi okorire gasi inkibatari gwatorera egasi area korire for all that time aberere in that position of power. But now because eko in the election, people will use anything and everything kuensure ngana na ki omongwano tindate bambu yare gosembo bare kegera I don't come from this constituency. What I'm trying to say is kaba anto equal rights of representation. Ndo tumiera words of intimidation and racism monto itario ito usi for the longest time possible to abere abanta abamo. It is the only is the only tribe in this country. Ota nyore tribal clashes whether chi kabira chinde kurwana chire usiyerete nyanya kurwana. So when toko rabantu bako chaka kwana about races, it ego koreng koro ya ne kubekagera Zahir is a Kenyan, born Nova Abeterist Usigari, which makes him automatically one of us. So
sure, ngo kwande gore korokia rekanite gako ruchibesa so mutanda gako bagera bantu chibesa abantu bakaba bagekana. To you is that wrong?
As per me, I think that EBS area requena whether it is on individual capacity or in the capacity of the position that he holds, it was not right ko watch publicly kwena na EBS while aso kwena na EBS you parateyo. You must as a leader, the first priority you have to do whether tore kiame kemo or sentori kiame kemo development of common mwananchi bari bagochorete nabo bwento kobeka first hand chi handouts nabo chigo cha baadaye but first kwa bakorera magendero to ba EBSU kware gotumia korosi pare yu muteninde gabo kwena na EBSU while there is no development. So I think that it was a wrong deed, but whether it was on individual capacity or in a position of power, I think the priority was misinterpreted, and it wasn't meant to seem like it was coercion or bribery. So it is just an appreciation, maybe as abantu wae. Yes.
Daniel Otiso. Togocha tutamku ke sensema ya Nyamira Stengenchi ya Chingaki. We kabone ga you impressed with the government projects in Nyamira County?
Nyamira County and that ebenga. I'm not impressed by the kind of services that serikali ya Amoske mweminya riba ya kota se county ya Nyamira. Oko tigere budget yetu ya county ya Nyamira 2025-2026 financial year nigere 8.1 billion. As 8.1 billion yega 5.5 billion nige korwa as national government. Na ndeba more than around 1.1 billion una capital grants. In this money nigo konyoranga 3.3 billion nigo kwenda as compensation of employees. Abade na county MCAs, health workers and others. Chipese chikwenda as development nigo chile less than 2 billion. Ase igoronto chomo mweshimiwa Amos Nyadibo ngakolonchero ngodi kandi Kemera ward. Ngakolonchero ngodi ase aba nafunzi ba ICD. Onero ngodi ye gatindo chi osege ntongerera akonye aba nafunzi badibara ase ICD. Again tokende ngokodige nona ase wizara ya abasai. Niga begete 3.5 million wacha soko gora equipments. Wacha se manga tourist attraction asa abatalipa wacha korora. Ase go evinto Amos Nyadiba akolide mbiri byako goki. Uko dige none wizara nande abasai mbabu atinonye headquarters niko bagwa kana rent ya 1 million pa year ase kadi asibabegete their offices ige serikali yamos kemominya ribo tera akora buya se developments babu enete ko digenchera yo koreta foreign investors ase county area ito baros chipara goros nyagita chiba chiko twara madiogo chinyagita ni chireterwa madiogo ne chi drowns buna twaro che some fears ago
sure enkwana no yeli kiane wero ngoli nkurwe kali
omoite igento ndatebe I really like my brother here for articulating kire igento muna kire nje igento ndatebe, it is as simple as go abantu baitu banyamira Nyaribo must go. If only a county itoira tuare that development and structure that is needs, Nyaribo needs to go. Muna kwanira about Rongori. Orange Rongori. A few years back, ndo igwete umo president ochire kukutara a state officer ochire kukutara as a county yao, which means that you could have asked for development area substantial. Kimoni agasaba e mochari. Abantu tagete bakuobe ke mochari yuse nkyo tagete. Rikari ko sabachi skuru asabe chipara e mochari asabete. So I think a county ya Nyamira, the problem it has is misplaced priorities. And I'm not calling about a department ya youth about wakane erente you before tutaracha serente yuka, the person who is responsible as a docket you tari mosai. You know, when it comes to allocating of resources and positions of power, you know, the youth also have representation. Na kitoko manya representation nero roase abasai if you can't give them the opportunity to lead. So I think the county government of Nyamira, first it needs to allocate proper leadership structures ebe easy for governor or tackle direct issues that needs to that lead to day-to-day common mwananchi affection mne sector ya tourism and which is under also the Ministry of the Youth. Toche oyo tenenete amangana ya agriculture in the county. I mean wokorige ne budget babekire gari anandorigere muna abantu baitu banyamira gari fertilizer is also a problem in that county. You would know that there is misplaced priorities. So abantu baitu banyamira look for better option. Nyaribo is not an option. It is as simple as that.
Ofel kabisa.
You ofel.
Ama tukabango iga ngo tutoriko kwana ntete tuchakire kuri Daniel Mate. Nkwara gati yo mugabana kwe county Nyamira Amos Kimwembi Nyaribo amo ono omwaziri ibwa bobo cheniments ya Kenya ade duali goro yechi machine gete chiria Nyaribo agateba nkwara gakolonji moisonde ga mariogo which is dispensary ka goteba nganje tindi go force bikura machine echi abantu gete batete kongo ne by force ri ni nchigora kuchine go ri chiane to kwa ne machine ya RM machine yo ko ruwa ne go se yo Kenya oboreri buli bwa cancer me county ya Nyamira nkwana yanereri igoro yokungusanoko
agento ndate Nyamira adi ekitobwate nigo gikorwanga kakistocracy and kleptocracy asenge njoni gotobwate abarai bare the very worst and the most corrupt people na abantu ba Nyamira bachorete gototenenera igo bono agento tobwate gari as health sector nige gochaka no enkuru as county assembly asenge nje budget ya county ya Nyamira nige korosiwa ne county assembly county assembly de bwate 33 MCS nige bwenerete kwanza chi machine chiri echibeka as budget ekere ya tibekira se budget ya very approved na ribono tokanda bakore procurement ne machine chiri chibe chigoja lakini bono goko dige no ne county ya Nyamira tebo at important machines no nyen cancer center tinga gritio sele Nyamira ali igone gento mweshimiwa Aden Duala akwanete nobo maene the county Nyamira level 6 hospital very well equipped abantu niko bakwenda ali baegu basic services baegu chipen killers baegu chibruven jiriko cha chapa konya bama ko referred ochinja karibu na Kisi Referral Hospital igobono the state of medical services ni gerense sana chibese chikwenda se medical services Nyamira county ni gechire around 480 million chikwenda se compensation of workers I think more money should be allocated as okogora medical equipments na equipping more facilities.
Mheshimiwa Shua tuko kwaninga ni social shocking that mnyamrete kwa tema ya machine ya cancer na maite mpaka kaona chituwe ndo kulende sometimes back regarding gasho kwenye rote ringa mheshimiwa yani mwaziri ade Duale na abwate company gete yako sapre bintu imesha na mariogo na machine na matuka makaka era toka Duale gaga te batete ko atete Nyaribo de machine na do Nyaribo nera ga te banga nchetini ko force ko ra machine chiu manyene. What can you speak about that incident? Is it kumanira secretary.
When it comes to allocation of resources, the health facility Kenya gaiga hardened almost hardened wale taibo the ministry name I think ayera rusi resources chirachiko konya abantu babo countrywide and also in terms of importation. So keromo siko amosa tebeti kwa chirechi machine. It was not about government to government ama was a personal to county beneficial. But what we saw from Nyaribo is gatekeeping. Kiagera, if machines nchira available na ande nchira ororo and you've been told ni nchuira chi machine koru ase serikali ito, it is not Aden Duale who is the health facility. Aden is just a representative in the health facility. So Nyaribo gare kwa irachi machine echo, but because ntobo atege ntokeringana na ki ninche maiten kainda rusi machine with a certain budget erinde ndiere koruororo. That's something that is killing politics in this country in terms of development. Kiagera nga intete nge importer inchebieka kiagera nimbwata ba MCA ba ne 30 something a committee neroro tigato ikaranse toro si budget yegento gete onyore machine yemo an MRI machine it will cost maybe 2 million because abantu mbare greedy leaders mbare greedy as a county na no governor babeka that one machine that will cost 2 million wanyebeka yaba 7 million so that where the top money that is there. So I think that there is no personal interest when it comes to Aden Duale na it is only that into my what happens behind the corridors we want so I mean it does not connect in one way or the other.
Nyamira is the same county area ya Rosti get million chinga.
Yes. Yes.
So togoska motu shwa mwakwa na mangana msana ngure Nyamira na nebora ibwente ko chenchi borro umura ibwense na kora itaro go chese orongorwa gusi na taite Nyamira na kurwe binte binge sana. How do you think are these real things being na rwete na tena kwante kuri university abantu mabate bwakire kama wonte donye kwandre sana university wa tumura ibwense wakire kama kwa maramange sana igoro ya KMTC ko chukwa gachiro chihori cha bana korara na kwanta mangana mange na bayo na taite kwa uplift Nyamira hospital go cheri fara hospital go tumeka 6 billion. Do you think these things are going to be fulfilled from the president, and how soon, because time is gone?
Daniel, the only thing that is killing development as in ya Kenya generally is the lack of support from the government institution and leaders within your jurisdictions. Tuarore University koretu ensemo ya Nyamira. Nyamira does not have never had a university. We have had tertiary institution but not a university. But for the first time, a university achire Nyamira County. But instead yoko embrace the university coming to Arocha Varaiva Korwananga na Kieta Wegetwe constituency yani Kiromondo. You know that kind of rangos Kerochiko Chachiava. Sometimes it delays the development and the budgeting. Kiagera na botora achito cha kega iga monta ende koti atebe aya nkia chire ta sekete ande bacha. So proper structuring njabo ente korekana that is why it took again njabete ikaba launched ase kuikera bono iga omosingi no remetu construction is ongoing. My brother here timaito onyonya gotara to site because he is in that committee leadership kitutu masawa ya Nyamira. So he needs to come otaroro he can attest that there is development that is going on ya ujenzi ya university and also the KMTC within the county.
Mete wakati umare bwe sati yako chote wanatengeza barabara kilomita 800 tataeleza ikiwa veterane is anything going on there in the university alafu mwe kwa ndigoro yenya gitari
again tonda te about serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bwate more back less bite asenge ncho mura ibwense niga ko launch a project no nyemara 10 yama okonekana une university ya Nyamira University onye launch more than 3 times. Buna bondo sama 1 week ago omo jumbe o North Mugirango constituency Joash Nyamukoni gateanga September iga 2026 Nyamira University ngochiere kwa admit hapa wanafunzi. Lakini wako endaga hadi Nyamira University asebwente korosigu bado those buildings njireka capacity edi ebwenete koba kwa admit hapa wanafunzi. Igobono there is more work that should be done na ndi project edi ebwenete bado ebe kwa se budget kwanza na di a lot of money era abe ku gadi ama gachadi abe gakorosi bwangu aba nafunzi geko September although September utinga tio sembasoe maybe next year September 2027 na ndi nabera nyandikanenga ndubwato murayo mogeni bwense na dia banafunzi barabe bago sasa university edi ige serikali yiga they should be true to their words na ndege ntabata ebide babe bagokora na ditora be to kupeka trust in them.
But what are there is construction going on?
Yeah,
but in a slow mode.
Yeah, in a slow mode. Yeah.
The main thing is construction is there. There is something that is visible. Abantu barengana na kigente neba kyaronche tiku. There is something that is going on. That is the basis. That is where the discussions need to be. Yes.
So the big question is arenga kinkia were ndege ko rumara igana ende tiba sanchirure chibilio ni chiruro agote banga serikali egokora what bite
more back, less bite.
Less bite, sorry.
Okay, when it comes to allocation of budget, there is always a committee that regulates and governs mona ebinto bigo korekana and the expenditure. So when you see that enchira nere university you the way you are saying ekogenda enchira yangora, it means that a committee unimbabwate a targeted time frame eva kuwakeri and on a certain budget kegera we might be doing even the beyond speed. It is good that again to gecha kengora kende in a pace that is visible than again to gekorekana wangu in a short way in and to chakorera with time ngana kigente kiagache to bube. So it is good to give the government time to implement their words, to implement their manifesto erinde into to benefit koruase nseme yabo. Yes.
Tokolo it down to tracho sori nte tochuka migoro ya Magomba ward. Tokocho sori sede kaya mayoka. Are you happy about your constituency? Has your MP done something good in Nyamira County as a youth?
As a youth, CDF budget nebwate a lot of vote heads. Na ndo mheshimiwa Clive Ombanegisa hiro chi sections injira akotre buya na ndinjira tara akora buya. Muko tigetia samangana education obere gago temake asengenzo obere gago construct classrooms na latrines sasa banafunzi bali bada ase chiskuru chiri. Lakini go cha samangana chibasari tara akora buya asengenzo niga kwena na 5000 kade abanafunzi bade nkoebu 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Ugo cha mangana security otemira ake asengenzo ya installation of those security lights na ando obere gago construct chief offices. Lakini go cha nanda mangana chipara tara akora buya asengenzo chipara angechi hospital kitutu masaba nigo chire Maram roads. Lakini edabuno mojumbe nigo abwente okora follow ups with the national government and the Ministry of Transport abega ko make sure nga chipara cha kitutu masaba chabere chiko batamarked asengenzo most of them a budget nere ya bete set na ndabwente okora that follow up amangana legislation otemira ake asengenzo na active in parliament igo about his rating nigo ndamwe between 6 to 7 igo temire lakini tara kora buya mono igo there is room for improvement na ndege ka 2027 ntumda abantu bakitu masaba buna basae abangira nabagaka nigo tora moligeredie tokororo kodire buya na tokumoirani lakini tokora tara kora buya na batoko change tobe ko monto mongao
mete kura ye kwande se onyo twa bakore voting era undecided ngigo kwa se
bado it is still on the ground so mpaka utaima koregas ya kore then evaluation starts from there.
It's already 5 years gone. Ikupiga kwane gore ya Kitutu Masaba
in terms of Kitutu Masaba again take tanga ninchenda kwanere is about education. NCMA your bursary allocation and I'm very happy about my brother Daniel Higaiga. Umro na tenene ta karwane segi sana when it comes to allocation of comrades CDF fund kiagera in the previous regimes abantu bari kwegu CDF ya 10,000 regime yengoko wairu 5,000. What is it that changed koru 10,000 to 5,000 kiagera bari barengoro before previously bakode techiskuru. So meaning it is easy to accommodate wadiba so irichi skuru and continue with the same funding model and in fact increase kiagera as time goes by abantu bakitutu masaba na bange bara banafunzi bakwenda the rate of illiteracy in Kitutu Masaba is not that big compared to other institutions kiagera abantu bakitutu masaba na bangaini abantu
nyambari Kitutu Masaba
yes no Kitutu Masaba no nyambari the only national school that is standing in Nyamira County the whole of Nyamira County boys school. So I think the allocation of CDF is somehow misplaced, especially in the sector of education, and that is the backbone of the community. If education is not funded properly, naditoko nyoranga bantu if yabana meire batigire skuru basoire boda basoire webi and all that. Every other sector that he has done egasi, we acknowledge it. In security chiabekire market centers, we appreciate that. But again, where is the priority? Kiagara education. If you can't prioritize education, you can't prioritize road structures. Kiagara kitutu masaba igari abantu abange nabaremi chitundu bari nchire gari a factory nere gari tombe. So how can omoremi ori gari within kitutu masaba na kiago ikecha yae e contain mase tundu bari gosase a factory. So chipara chiri nchire in a very bad state, especially kwanza digampondere as a constituency na as a warding koru. E pare ya koru so bokemerari ocha mpaka nyambari school anayo na school para gari pare is in a very bad state. So and it is a major road that is linked to tombe nere gaskiari school nyambari ende kanomoto ende chiko sokera muino. Epara is in a very bad state. Epara nere koru magombe stage ekoenda mpaka sani ya chikosoka mpaka moino. Epara it is in a very bad state, and we have personally now I've wrote a letter to the MP about Epara but nothing so far has been done. Kegara aba antabu reply te ya kocha. Kegara asayu ase nkoruga abantu abange chaino ekoruga butombe nwere ruguraba and naboko chonyo sometimes okonyo mbake gari chae ke gwete. Why chipara chire in a very short state, a bridge nere gari in a very bad and poor condition. So I think other sectors nko mwatore credit kiagara na roseria na upgrading the sanity of the service the security service providers aba Barechi chief, that one we give him credit. Representation yae and the presence yae as a bunk in terms of articulating issues and oversight mbuyare. But again, we have to come back on board. Nane some time back na iguna irachi proposals chia basae bari batete uchaka projects and all that nature idichia, but there is no funding that came to support those support groups. Kegera why would you promise abantu ngana na kireta chi proposal cheno tore na kitoko bakonya and Ruchi University togo swachi group echi we are able to start something small na into endereri obogima boito. So over a credit nko mwatore asa korega sinande into toko mata togo sababa omujumbo ito. As much as noro morengo you might not support it fully. At the end of the day ntoko chorete gari oto korre representation tadi kirege ndoko ruani ikangene serikali nae kama ebintu biriba abantu bande bao kama retera abantu bao kera. At the end of the day no chobero morengo orionde nae bieko benefit abantu common mwananchi nkiba benefit
so kama makwena
gen njua sese serikali kama anyego nyitote como support ya insawa, it is your democratic right, lakini retera abantu bao kitutu masaba ama genderaria abantu bande bako nyogara kerobari serikali
chinsa chigana tuska sanu mwancho mugireria kuruge teseni getu kyabane gen soko tima mbya bonika to yante kwa na shwa moremo yo kurige kiro kyo msie ase ward ya magombo senchira ya bene na bae gontorene Daniel Otiso unere ore homoro kiwa kwa University ya Kenyatta na bae go so ro munyakero bogo se chairman ya wanafunzi bali Nyamira University Tertiary Students Association ni hona toko kwana senchira ya bene banta bangi wante kolika chimeze jimege gakoro kwa mama Kerutu from Amari ba watching live ni kondani pamoja litamati ntobwata Kefa Nsongo kwa Alanet Nakuru watching live mbuya mono Kefa Nsongo tobwata Dennis Mosubige su watching live ku no Dennis Mosubige su mbuya mono na bego Diana D na ragote banga am following live on Soko TV mbuya mono ngochi torogo cha sore Daniel kwende ndete kora narodaone torabo dia o chikokwane kana yo mwelio igoro ya your views na onyare kurwa magania igoro une county Nyamira and then went to Barandi for the youth survival ko jomwa ko gocha tugochi gukora kima Magomba ward ikura una Ruben Riech
Yes,
omumsie
omumsie ne igakoro ku Ruben
Mindariech
nandi
Ford Kenya
ichama ya Ford Kenya twarenge the same coalition broad based kegeranche na renge UDA rakaba Ford Kenya umwaka 2022 and 2027 ni ndegeti korusi Mindariech
eseki does my question why morema
omaite Mindariech gaswete county akaebe gasi abantu bamagombo bamotomete gokora in terms of representation na kobakorere gasi inchake about road structures ndobwate epare kuru bogwendo yetundu bari epare it is in a very shoddy and a very bad state ndobwate epara yari ogoro egotirimbo kampaka eskuru nyambari eskuru mate gari another epara yo MMCA nagote birigari within the national school chipara no mpaka icho tigana no MMPoka MMCA para ya yoka eri yoko konye amakori aria are the main major makori abantu bagwetera no ichigari chicha chigweta koreta koire chicha mpaka etundu bari gosase factory chipara chiri there in a very bad state dobwate para ya riogoro primary ocha nyama mise mate para yukare ya renge maintained but one igwet oise gwete para yu obonyansi wa merire para garite gweta gosetire gocha rogoro ekonye no monte bo muroiro umuntu urwarire te go ikambaka rogorari toche Ria Steven Road gocha nyambari para ende amache mpaka ite katikati ya atire para katikati so I think area development agochwego yo umMC gokorega asi bintu bere bitatu igatumira ko gore Mercedes agonya gutara ari bosa iga ande tararekana geti korore so I think that umMC yo itoga achete county akaeba the mandate abantu bamagombo bamotomete kiageranto aranere gagopinga omugabana nakyo gopinga omugabana neba na teba chitekankego chitaretaga igangana naki omonto nabo mobe so long as sigari in a position of power yo kwa egento ikange kama keri oranyore oraretera abantu baho kwanza enga kio bochori kiera ike nario go deciding ngana kinka yo kobera ngosore nere oge otare pare yemonere osigo kwendo murengonde webeki kurora lakini mindaga arwana esegi mugabana tanya komwa para ndete yo
solution chonchi de chibono
solution ya nene yemo number one the first solution torarusi kwanza orinda so erindo we prioritize kwanza I will link the county government to national government kegera to koraga sia ebika you have to join others erinde motare sabari yemo ni maite their mandates that mno MCA you are able to do within the county but again mno monto maite your representation na abantu ba onka yorote your background injitini mwana siasa inje igona identify ngana na kia abantu baitongo chande kavare I'm only there to offer myself as a solution to arosi obosani within the national government Koswe County, it is already a direct mandate ngana na kibinto mbira se county biribi kebitora anyore ngokorra tora abantu baitobe egasi abosani boritu arosiri within the national government borobu na borobu to chito mobilize onye ne chipara we ensure that at least every financial year wa kwanire na both the national government and the county government wazuki no kilometer boke it is cabros are not expensive ndugu yani kubeka tu kuchoka cabros no per kilometer at least akake kwa sometimes kwa mobilize omugabana otare county eko ward yao kwa mosabe para asa abantu nero promising ai pare na cha kore with the time okonyoranga wasukiri development within 5 years igento kende we need to prioritize abasaye bare magombo gari nimbo abasaye bakoro muna Levi Machukano mosayo we have very good brains baba Levi Machukano to bwate Cleo Mweri to bwate abasaye koru iriyo muti bakoro Kevin abantu bwate ideologies chire and policies chirache konya abantu if only that MMCA karanse na abantu inse arosi self help groups chira konya abantu they offer resources and funding ai karanse no MMPinse so that abantu bamagombo bakonyeka do not keep anybody out
mwe kimu director na gontinga tuwente kugenda mpaka mona gari muso chiseke ndiko kwani sana choka ngana yago chese Nyamira county abasa 10 seconds
Nyamira county ni goto chibese chigo cha date nyinge mono the only thing tubwate kebe no borai na misplaced priorities lakini ntuna basaye ochakera next month twatire complain totete kogenda gadi ase constituencies West Mugirango North Kitutu Masaba no Barabu tokore civic education tobe tebia abantu babwate chikura nande bakera barai bamaite egasi yabo nabarai baratokonye nande gento kio moedio ntubwate one Indian nationalist okorokwa Chakravarti Rajagopalachari oyotete nga when politics stumbles the country pays igobono abana siasa bonsi bagusi tiato ke siasa enda buse etabwati bochabu na nokoramana ndiama
sure 10 seconds abantu baba magombo
abantu bane ba magombo enga kinereye obochori twachire boisire goikange chora barai murakonyane na barabu chora barai babaikirange chora barai bakorelate na your day to day challenges mo chore abarai based on ebyama ntuma ita abantu abange baesoire ebyama kubwati omonto gose kubwati regoti omonto erinde baetere but they fail to show us their ideologies, they fail to show us their manifesto ne plan yabo nereri ikaransa inse muna abasae irechikura na ande na ino swageti kaba active as a siasa yense kiagera ni you are the future and present leaders of this country.
Mjamono kapso sogocha tujige china kinyega na demo bata marama ne sana tonyana 2 hours chingi meiga tukwana ama nende mjamono sogocha ni tsinge turubini we kalit ko inde na ende shwa amona Daniel mwancho mwireri atwarenge nere kurukwa nere inga shwa marema kuriki mse kuruma gombo na baigo Daniel Otiso yore mwanafunzi ya chairman ya Nyamira University Student Association to kwana sikira bene soko kwikarabu no ngo ikero mwedio we turubini mambija bonega utambuke masemo ko ire we kachinsemo cha moso chogari monaki mubogani mushikonyara musabara bwo mweri bomongina ateresia uyore mamwabo museneta bi county ya Kisii Richard Mumaima Onyonka twara umurwa worumya wekali tukosomo gasorumya wekali tukori anketo mendes chikosoi nabanyangongo tukwana mangane chikosori guchaka chinse saunesto weka chinse kumicha margoba litukori ankie chuma mosi Lois Nyambura director zake naboigo amo ona Joshua Nyauma bonsi banenge mega yemenyonjo kurekinga chibicha mwana modiogi agoikere senchera hiriyo wekana uterobini ya ikiro mwaerio
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi
kiwana kitu sitapungukiwa na kitu Bwana ndiye mchungaji wangu sitapungukiwa na kitu Bwana ndiye mchungaji wangu sitapungukiwa na kitu Unatayarisha meza mbele yangu mambele machoni pa adui zangu unanipaka mafuta kichwani pangu kikombe changu kinafurika hakika wema na fadhili zitanifuata siku zote za maisha yangu nami nitakaa katika nyumba ya Bwana maisha yangu yote. Bwana ndiye mchungaji wangu, sitapungukiwa na kitu. Bwana ndiye mchungaji wangu,
The second reading from the book of 1 Corinthians. But in fact, Christ has been raised from the dead, the first fruits of those who have died. For since death came through a human being, the resurrection of the dead has also come through a human being. For as all die in Adam, so all will be made alive in Christ, but each in his own order. Christ, the first fruit, then at his coming, those who belong to Christ. Then comes the end, when the hands over the kingdom of God, the Father, after he has destroyed every ruler and every authority and power. For he must reign until he has put all his enemies under his feet. The last enemy to be destroyed is death. For God has put all things in subjection under his feet. But when he says all things are put in subjection, it is plain that this does not include the one who will put all things in subjection under him. When all things are subjected to him, then the Son himself will also be subjected to the one who put all things in subjection under him, so that God may be all in all. This is the word of the Lord.
We all arise.
Tusimame wote.
Bwana awe nanyi. Somo la Injili takatifu ilivyoandikwa na Mathayo. Mathayo sura ya 11 mstari wa 25 hadi wa 30. Njooni kwangu mkapumzike. Wakati huo Yesu alisema, nakushukuru Baba, Bwana wa mbingu na dunia, maana umewaficha wenye hekima na wenye elimu mambo haya, ukawafunulia wadogo. Naam Baba, ndivyo ilivyokupendeza. Baba yangu amenikabidhi vitu vyote. Hakuna amjuaye mwana ila Baba, wala amjuaye Baba ila mwana, na yeyote yule ambaye mwana anapenda kumfunulia. Njooni kwangu nyinyi nyote msumbukao na kulemewa na mizigo, nami nitawapumzisha. Jifungeni nira yangu, mkajifunze kwangu, maana mimi ni mpole na mnyenyekevu wa moyo, nanyi mutatulizwa rohoni mwenu. Maana nira niwapayo mimi ni laini, na mzigo wangu ni mwepesi.